to infinity and beyond. That's the ambition level today, because we're talking Salesforce, a cloud giant pushing the boundaries of CRM and AI. Welcome back to Will of the Market. Let's break it down. Salesforce, founded in 1999 by Mark Benioff, is the world's top CRM platform. It's like the Swiss Army knife of customer relationship tools, covering sales, service, marketing, commerce, analytics, and even AI. It all runs in the cloud, so companies get updates automatically, no downloads or hardware needed. Now, who else plays in this CRM league? Competitors include Microsoft Dynamics 365, SAP C/4HANA, Oracle CRM, and smaller but agile platforms like Zoho CRM. Salesforce's edge? A massive ecosystem with the App Exchange, Trailhead training, and a roaring community of over 2.3 million trailblazers. Sure, Salesforce's tools are powerful, but the platform comes with a steep learning curve and a price tag that's higher than most. Platforms like Zoho or HubSpot might be friendlier for startups, while Microsoft or SAP appeal to enterprises looking for CRM plus ERP integrations. Let's talk money. Salesforce just posted Q2 FY 2026 earnings, and here's the scoop. Revenue: $10.24 billion, beating estimates of $10.14 billion, a solid 10% year-over-year gain. Adjusted EPS, $2.91, above expectations. I&A, data cloud arranged by Surge passed $1.2 billion, up a whopping 120% year-over-year. Since launching Agentforce, Salesforce has closed 12,500 plus deals, over 6,000 paid, driven by enterprise adoption. Shareholder love. They bumped up their share buyback program by $20 billion, bringing the total to $50 billion. But it's not all happy hour. Shares fell 4 to 5% after hours due to cautious Q3 guidance. Sales forecasts landed a bit below expectations, signaling a slowdown ahead. Let's do the X-Men. Define, super, breakdown. Solid revenue and AMP, profit beats. Booming AI, data cloud growth, signaling intelligent customer demand. Massive capital returns with an expanded $50 billion buyback. Slowing growth. Last fiscal year was approximately 24%, now down to low double digits. Weak guidance for Q3 raises caution flags. Rival CRMs could gain ground among budget-conscious users or specialized verticals. So, what's the verdict? Salesforce's no, has been. It's more like Luke Skywalker training for the final fight, strong, battle-tested, and adding AI muscle. But it also faces headwinds that temper the excitement. Will Salesforce stay the CRM king? Let me know, drop a comment. Hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights right here on Will of the Market.